What if a portal to a fifth dimension is the answer to the enigmatic question of dark matter's existence? What if we're on the precipice of a breakthrough that could redefine our understanding of the universe? This is not mere speculation, but a thrilling scientific possibility that is currently under investigation. It all starts with a theory known as the warped extra dimension, or WED. This concept, born at the turn of the millennium, might hold the key to the perplexing problem of dark matter in particle physics. Now, you might be wondering what dark matter is. Well, it's a mysterious substance that makes up most of the matter in the universe. Think of it as a secret ingredient that helps us understand how gravity works. Without it, everything we know might crumble or fall apart. But despite its crucial role, dark matter remains elusive, invisible to the particles we can see and touch. This indicates it has some unique properties that are yet to be fully understood. This is where our tale of the fifth dimension begins. Scientists from Spain and Germany have been trying to tackle some of the unanswered questions in the standard model of physics. One such question is the hierarchy problem, which questions why the Higgs boson is much lighter than the characteristic scale of gravity. Another striking example is the existence of dark matter itself. To address these issues, the researchers turned to the WED model. They focused on something called fermion masses, which they believe could be sent through portals into the fifth dimension. These fermions, in their journey to this new dimension, might become dark matter relics and form what is known as fermionic dark matter. So, could these dimension-traveling fermions be the answer to the dark matter enigma? Could they be the elusive particles that have so far escaped observation? This theory suggests that a hidden pocket of the fifth dimension, a dark sector, could hold the vast amounts of dark matter that haven't been detected yet. Fermions, stuck in a portal to this twisted dimension, could be acting as dark matter. Of course, the challenge lies in proving this. We need to see this type of dark matter, but that's easier said than done. However, hope is not lost. The key to unlocking this mystery might lie in gravitational wave detectors, which are becoming increasingly prevalent worldwide. In essence, the discovery of a portal to the fifth dimension could be a game changer. It could be the key to understanding the elusive dark matter that makes up our universe. This is not just about answering a scientific question. It's about exploring new frontiers, redefining our understanding of the universe, and breaking the barriers of what we perceive as possible. The answers we seek might be closer than we think. The mystery of dark matter, the enigma of the fifth dimension, could be on the brink of being unraveled. And when that happens, it will be a monumental moment in our journey of discovery and understanding. The universe as we know it might just get a little bit bigger. This is the beauty of science. It takes us beyond our reality into dimensions unknown, exploring the infinite realm of possibilities. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest for knowledge, a voyage into the very fabric of existence. And in this journey, there's always something new to discover, a new mystery to solve, a new dimension to explore. And who knows? The next discovery could be just around the corner.